Welcome back. And today we have DeBorah Ahmed from Better Family Life. She's here to share with us about the new, well, it's not a new, but about the exciting news about the Black Dance, a celebration in movement. Black Dance USA, a celebration in movement. So this is really exciting. So I was telling you off the air how I want to connect people to music across the diaspora, and you're doing it with dance. So it's all connected.
Yes. Yeah, and with this particular dance style, it is so important to have the music that accompanies these dance styles.
You got to.
So we have, and I use the term live musician as most people do because they wouldn't be dead, but we have people that are actually playing the music, and some of the stuff that we have, some of the music we have is recorded music. So that one workshop that we offer, the Djembe Percussion. So the djembe is a set of drums, and it's actually a family of drums. So with the African dance classes, we have that family of the djembe orchestra that's being played by several different musicians.
Oh, nice.
And with the Salsa and the Afro Cuban class, we have musicians that will be playing a family of drums called the Bata. With the African Caribbean class, we have people that will be playing the family of drums that are attached to the conga drums. And then we also have recorded music with the hip hop. You know,
of course,
so
of course. So we actually have a clip to show people, to get people excited about it. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of the dance forms that'll be shown or shared that day. Just like a snippet of what. So are you going to provide the skirt so we can really move with it, or I got to bring my own skirt?
You got to bring your own.
Oh, okay. I don't even know where you find the skirt, but I'm going to find the skirt because I'm coming to learn how to do this. Don't play with me. I'm about this life right now. I'm about this life. So I even have some ideas I want to share with you. We're going to talk after this because this is such a passion for my, and I promise you it started before Black Panther. I promise you it did.
Before Wakanda became
Wakanda became forever.
African-American home.
Yeah, I've been really, I think the best way to learn about another culture and to connect with another culture is through music and food. And now dance is just part of.
You're in it.
Yeah,
you're doing it, definitely. In fact, I want to say that the clip we just saw of the African Caribbean class, taught by Danny Diallo Hines, he has probably been with us as an instructor the longest.
Right. Okay.
So when Diallo and I first met, it was when we first moved, me and my husband and I, Malik, when we first moved to St. Louis back in 1983.
Okay.
And he
Where from?
was New York.
Oh, okay.
So I'm originally from St. Louis, but we were living in New York. We moved here. And Diallo was teaching and dancing with the Dunham Company in East St. Louis. I became a part of that company, so that's when he and I first met. And he's been a part of Black Dance for about 30 years.
Nice.
There was a few years he wasn't there because he went back home to Barbados.
Okay.
Yeah, but
so we got the real people teaching the real stuff.
You know it.
I love it.
And let me also add that you asked a question about the skirts, right? So even if you don't have your skirt with you, it's okay. Just have on some comfortable, loose-fitting clothing that you can move in. Most of the classes you dance barefoot, but it's okay.
That's all right.
You know, it's all good.
We'll figure it out.
Feel that earth.
Feel that
earth move under your feet.
Be connected, be one with the music and the drums, and feel it all through your body.
Most definitely.
I'm excited. So make sure, if you want to attend the class and learn more about the programs at Better Family Life, visit betterfamilylife.org, and we'll be right back after this.